Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful infinity or egg-shaped ear warmer or headband. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This ear warmer is very easy to do and it is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful ear warmer or a headband, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. This ear warmer is done lengthwise. So first we will start with the width and based on the length which you want we will do, and then we will fold them to form like this beautiful ear warmer. So now let's see how to do this beautiful egg-shaped or infinity ear warmer headband. Start with the slip knot. You are going to do this ear warmer lengthwise. So the width is based on the width which you want. So I will be doing 13 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 13 chain. 1, 2, 3. So after doing the chain, it looks like this. So this is the foundation chain. This will be the width of the ear warmer which you are going to do. Next, we are going to work in the second chain from the hook. The loop which has the hook is the first stitch. We are going to skip that stitch and you are going to work in the next stitch. You are going to do a single crochet. So insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. You have to follow this pattern till you reach the last stitch. That is, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. At the end of this row, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. This will be the turning chain. You are not going to work in this turning chain. You are going to work from this stitch. So in the stitch, you will see a V-like structure here. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So from this row onwards, we are going to work only on the back loops. We are going to do single crochet by taking only the back loops. So insert the hook in the back loop and you are going to do a single crochet. Next it's single crochet by taking only the back loops. Next it's single crochet by taking only the back loops. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in each stitch only in the back loops till you reach the end. So at the end of this row you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. After doing them it looks like this. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do single crochet in the back loops. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in the back loops till the required length of the ear warmer which you are going to do. After doing them till the required length, the ear warmer or the headband looks like this. So if you see here, it lengths up to 16.5. I am doing this for 2 to 3 years baby. So next you can extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. Next, you are going to fold them into 2 like this. And take one end and fold it like this. Take the other end and fold it like this, same way. And you are going to insert it like this. And you are going to join them. So you will be careful while you are joining, you have to take all the 4 layers together. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, you can flip the infinity headband or ear warmer. It looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.